How rich people think versus poor people. Mindset that builds wealth. Ever wondered why some people seem to attract money like magnets while others struggle? It's all about mindset. Rich minds focus on opportunities, not obstacles. They see problems as chances to grow, not reasons to quit. If you think money's always scarce, you're stuck in a scarcity mindset. That's a poor person's trap, and it's tougher to break than you think. But rich people? They believe there's plenty to go around. They invest in assets that earn while they sleep, not just trading time for money. Think about it. The wealthy see money as a tool, a means to build more money, not something to spend as soon as it arrives. Meanwhile, many struggle living paycheck to paycheck, focusing on immediate bills and missing the bigger financial picture. Rich people invest in themselves, learning, networking, and building skills that multiply their income streams. On the flip side, poor mindset often fears spending on growth, seeing it as risk instead of an opportunity. Here's the real kicker. Wealthy people aren't just lucky. Their mindset rewires how they see challenges and money itself. So, imagine switching your mindset from scarcity to abundance. How would that change your financial future? Start asking yourself, where can I spot opportunities today? What skills can I learn that pay off tomorrow? Remember, money doesn't buy happiness, but your mindset buys financial freedom. Break free from limiting beliefs. Start thinking like the rich, bold, smart, and future-focused. Every dollar you save or invest today plants a seed for a wealthier tomorrow. So, what mindset will you choose? One that keeps you stuck, or one that launches you forward? Remember, wealth starts in your mind. Change the way you think, and the money will follow. Ready to flip the script on your financial story? It all starts with one powerful mindset shift. Follow for more tips on mastering your mindset and building real wealth.